Your Binibini 40 from province of Abra.
Ay na Apo, naimbag na daw Apo.
I'm so happy, my heart is happy.
Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Janae.
I'm Nali.
Ayan, so for today's vlog ay magkakaroon tayo ng reaction for the get to know video of one of our Binibini delegates for the 60th edition. And this time it's Binibini number 40, that's Myrna Esguerra of Abra, another Ilocano.
Ah, okay.
Naimbag na Aldao, Philippines.
Ay, wow!
Myrna Esguerra, your Binibini 40 from province of Abra.
Ay na Apo, naimbag na daw Apo.
I'm so happy, my heart is happy. May Ilocana.
For me, Binibini is someone who always go for it even though she's so scared to do it. And I believe that Binibini is me.
Ay, wow. Akala ko si ang... And that Binibini is Maloy.
Three interesting facts about me. First, I believe I have the power to make things happen. Not the superpower kind of thing. But when I was 17, I wanted to learn how to drive a manual car. And after 3 days, I learned to do so. Second, when I was younger, I feared public speaking. But guess what? Now I'm an event host.
Really?
I have a
Guess what?
total of 16 siblings. We're 17, including me.
Ang dami! Ang sipag talaga ng taga-Abra.
Pati siya natawa siya sa 17 kami.
I work with National Cleanup Coalition Philippines. It's a coalition of all cleanup groups, government agencies, and local government units all over the Philippines, from sea to summit cleanup. Caring for your environment is so important now more than ever. For the past days, we've experienced an extreme heat wave to the point that governments are suspending classes. And for me, that shows how important, serious, and real global warming is. Through Binibini Filipinas, I want to reach as many people as I can to help take action to protect our home. Because all the things that matters to us now doesn't really matter if our home, the earth, is slowly deteriorating. For more...
Ba't nagagalit si ate?
Ay!
Di sana sa Miss Earth siya sumali.
Ay,
Sabi niya, the Earth.
Ganun ba yun? Hindi, I love the way she talks, ganyan, and she knows what she is talking
Meron
about.
siyang ano talaga, meron siyang conviction. And the way siya magsalita, parang kada word meron siyang moaning factor na future. Parang gano'n.
Pero ano, I could see myself rooting for her. Oh, talaga, yes.
Rooting ka ako, leafing. Sana ano siya, very Ilocana, yung skin.
Skin,
And then,
pero the way she talks, hindi na. Very fluent na siya.
Very fluent na siya. Pero parang siyang ano, yung beauty niya, parang pinagawa sa Thailand. Parang yung beauty ng mga ano, Thai na beauty queen. But it's not negative ha, na ano, parang yung ganun yung ano niya, yung dating niya pang international. She's giving me that Thai beauty queen vibe, parang ganun. Yeah. So papanoorin mo siya.
Oo, papanoorin ko siya.
Pupunta ka ng ano, Cuneta.
Kung bibigyan mo akong pamasahe.
Pupunta kang Cuneta. Wala naman doon yung binibili mo sa Araneta.
Sa Araneta. Mali, okay.
So yeah guys, and thank you so much at sinamahan nyo kami sa nagdaan video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe and that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
And guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us. See you in the next video. Bye!